Most people assume that physical therapy is only effective in clinics, but the surprising truth is that digital platforms like Sword Health can deliver real results from home. Today, I'm giving an honest review of Sword Health based on actual usage experience. Sword Health is a digital therapeutics platform focused on musculoskeletal conditions. It combines wearable sensors, personalized exercise programs, and remote monitoring by licensed physical therapists. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's just an app with videos. You actually get real-time guidance and feedback on your movements, which ensures proper technique and reduces the risk of injury. Getting started is straightforward. You download the app, set up the wearable sensors, and complete an initial assessment. You won't believe what happens next. The platform creates a personalized exercise plan and assigns a physical therapist to monitor your progress remotely. Every session is tracked, and your therapist can adjust exercises based on your performance and pain levels. The surprising truth is that patients using Sword Health have reported significant improvements in mobility and pain reduction in as little as a few weeks, comparable to in-person therapy. The platform also provides educational content to help prevent future injuries. There are some downsides. The service requires a stable internet connection, and some exercises may need space at home. Also, while insurance may cover part of the cost, it's important to check eligibility. However, for people seeking convenience, personalized therapy, and consistent guidance, Sword Health is highly effective. If you want to improve mobility, reduce pain, and follow a guided therapy program at home, Sword Health is worth exploring. Subscribe for more honest digital health platform reviews before committing to a program.